Now the moon is officially out. I can finally move the telescope again. Guys, make this video go viral and I will double subscribe to your account. Let me just literally find the moon right now. There it is. The partial lunar eclipse moon of the moment. This is the moon. See that and that little cut off there? I promise that is not a telescope, guys. And that is the moon during its partial solar eclipse. That is actually brilliant. This is so flippin' brilliant. That's actually amazing. And yeah, I don't really know if you guys can tell, but it is glowing a magnificent like sunset yellow color right now, and you guys obviously can't tell. But then if I bring it out just a little bit, then you guys can obviously tell. Shout out to my other channel, the Mincer Facefield channel. Yeah, then I'll see you in the next one. But yeah, that is just magnificent. That's actually really cool. Besides, there's no guys, right? You see in the bottom right there. Readjust this. Hang on. There you go. And you see there in the bottom right hand corner, that is the Earth's shadow being cast on the moon. As of this moment, that is magnificently brilliant. If I could even get to focus, hello. Hiya, NASA's provided me with the wrong telescope. Magnificent. It's actually so, that is actually really, that's a beautiful picture, guys. Take your pictures now. That is a beautiful picture. Take your pictures now, guys. Take your pictures now. Taking a couple of pictures now. And that is the moon. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful moon right there. That is the real color of it now, guys. The moon is here. Maybe turn on max zoom. That is a magnificent color for the moon. Look at that. That, you guys cannot agree that that is not a magnificent picture. Take pictures now, guys. Take your pics. Take your pics now. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.